Good morning, students. Hello, how are you? I hope all of you are well and safe at your home, right? Okay, so welcome to the computer learning class. Today we will continue the yesterday's session. We have done operators yesterday. So, like unary operator, we have seen, then conditional operator like semicolon, and then uh, question mark that we have discussed yesterday, and unary operator, conditional operator, then size of operator. So these things we have discussed. Size of operator, I think all of you remember that. Size of means it will tell you the size of the byte, size in bytes. Like if you are telling uh, size of integer, then it will say 2. If you will ask for size of float, then it will tell you 4. So these things we will do also practical, then you can understand, you can better understand. So these things will come like character. If it is a data type, character type of variable, like name is a character type of variable, so it will tell you the size is 1. And if you will define the array like char name, then suppose size you are in bracket, you are giving suppose 10. Then if you are asking for size of operator uh, name, then it will tell you size is 10, because you have defined the size. And if you are not defining any size, then it will tell you size 1, that is 1 byte, that is the size of character. Okay, so this thing, size of operator, and conditional operator, then unary operator like plus, minus, these things we have discussed. Today we will discuss about the precedence of operator, because you need to specify which operation needs to be performed first by using brackets. Else C++ will perform equations with certain operators first, followed by the rest of the operator. Like in maths you have done, that is one rule is followed, that is BODMAS, BODMAS. So here what you have seen, that first is bracket, and then off, then division, then multiplication. In this way the calculations, the precedence of operators are used. Okay, here also in C++, the knowledge of precedence of operator is very necessary to identify the operators which will be evaluated first in a given expression. Suppose in a expression there are multiple operators are used. Suppose addition you have used, then unary operator, then postfix operator, all these operators you have used. Then which operator will use will come first, will evaluate first. That for that we have to learn about the precedence of operator. Okay, so operators with higher precedence will be evaluated first before the operators with relatively uh, lower precedence. So operators on the same line, on the same expression, if it is given, then how it will be followed, that we will see. So precedence of operator means the order in which operators are evaluated in C++, that is precedence of operator. Now first is postfix operator is used when a single expression multiple operator, if there is a that is postfix operator is there, then first postfix operator will execute, evaluate. Then unary, postfix means plus plus, minus minus, this type of operator. Then uh, unary operator, we have discussed earlier, that is single operand. Okay, so that is unary operator, plus, minus, multiplication, division, this type. Size of, this is also a unary operator. Next one is multiplicative operator. Multiplicative operator means like multiplication, then division. Okay, then modulo operator. Modulo, I have told you, that is it is used to find out the remainder of an expression. Okay, next one is additive. After multiplicative, that is additive. Additive means first plus, then minus operator will come. Then after the additive, relational operator. Relational operator means comparative comparison operator, like uh, less than equal to, or less than, greater than, not less than equal to, double equal to. Okay, so these are the relational operator. So after that, relational operators will come. Evaluate first. Then after that relational operator, equality operator. Equality operator means that is also a relational operator, because it is also used to compare two values, two operands. So equality operator, that is double equal to, then not equal to, these are the equality operator. Okay, so this will, after that this will come, this will execute. After equality operator, that is logical operator. Logical operator means like first not, and, or. In this way, evaluate. We have seen that now three types of logical operator: not, and or. So first will execute not, then and then or. So these three operators will execute. Now after that, conditional operator, or you can say ternary operator. Conditional operator, yesterday I had told you, that is if the expression is true, then first value will execute, and if the condition is false, then the second expression will be evaluate. So that is ternary operator, or you can say conditional operator. Next one is after conditional operator, that is assignment operator. Assignment operator, that is assign the value, like integer num equal to 10. So that is assignment operator. You are assigning the value 10 in the variable num. So that is assignment operator. Okay, so equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to. So these are the assignment operator. After that, comma operator. Okay, comma operator means like integer a equal to 5 comma b equal to 6. In this way you can write. So that comma operator is evaluate. So this is the higher precedence to lower precedence of operators. So first is postfix, then unary, then multiplicative, then additive. Okay, after that relational operator, relational, after that equality operator, then logical operator. In logical operator, first will come not, then and, then or. Okay, then after that conditional operator, then assignment operator, and finally that is comma operator. So this is the precedence of operator, order of the operator in which the operators are evaluated in a single expression. And if you have used a bracket, then first bracket will execute, evaluate, and then other expressions will evaluate. So this is precedence of operator. So you read this precedence operator of operator, and you have to learn this operator, precedence of operator, because if you learn this precedence, then you can do only the C++ program. That is very important. When you are doing C++ program, then this knowledge is very important for you. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.